Hey everybody, it's Teresa. Welcome to my channel. Guess what I've got? I've got the May 2024 bargain bead box to share with you all today. I just get so excited when this package comes in the mail. In case you're not familiar, the bargain bead box is a monthly subscription of beads and findings. It's $22.99 a month, and that includes shipping in the United States. They have beautiful beads and findings. It's always curated around a different theme each month. And if you're a subscriber to the bargain bead box, you get a 30% off coupon code to use in their sister store, Bead Box Bargains. And you can use it as many times as you want to during the month, and they already have great prices. I have a coupon code. It's Teresa2, and I'll put it on the screen here and in the description box below, along with a link to the page to sign up for the subscription if you're interested. The coupon will save you $2 off your first box if you sign up. So I cut the top open, but I've not peeked. I just literally just now got this out of the mailbox. So I'm going to pull it out here. We're going to peek together and see what we've got here, and then I'll sort everything out. I've got a pretty, I don't know, hot pink or maybe magenta colored little baggie here. Looks like we've got gold findings this time. It's a beautiful pendant. There's some beautiful beads as usual. Look at those. Those are some links. It looks like I love links. Huh. Hold on, let me get everything sorted out and I'll be back. Okay, I've got all the beads sorted out now, and then I'll do the findings. It looks like the theme this month is tropical heat. It says, get ready for sunsets in paradise with a warm palette of red, pink, orange, and yellow. Our focal pieces this month are styled as links for versatile design opportunities. Quartz and agate beads show a variety of colors and cuts, including faceted cubes and English cut rounds. These gorgeous gems mix with colorful crystals and gold finish findings for a collection inspired by the summer's vivid trending hues. And then on the back here we have a list of everything that's in the box. It says the approximate total retail value for this shipment is $77.83. So this is just a really good value box. I'm always able to make many pieces of jewelry out of one box. So the first thing is an approximately 40 millimeter Crackle agate faceted link. And that's really neat because it's got a loop at the top and the bottom. So you could attach it to your, make it a pendant and attach it to your necklace, and then dangle some things off the bottom. And it's double-sided. Of course, I'm sure everybody's will be a little bit different because it's a gemstone, so that, you know, they won't be exactly the same, but it's got that pretty gold on the edges there. It's just really beautiful. And then next is a 7-inch strand of 8 millimeter Malaysia Jade dyed quartz English cut rounds. And these are just really pretty, really colorful. Love the English cut. I might be zoomed in just a little bit too much. I get too excited and zoom in really close because I want y'all to see these. And then next is a 6-inch strand of 6 millimeter quartz faceted magenta cube beads. So these are little cube beads. And of course, they're all just a little bit different. I mean, they're a whole lot the same. Like that one right there is a lot lighter than the others. But they're not all exactly the same. Those are pretty little beads there. And then next is a 14.5-inch strand of 8 millimeter Crackle agate round beads. And I know y'all have heard me say this probably a dozen times at least, but the crackle effect that they do in these beads just fascinates me. It fascinates me how they do that. And of course, these being gemstone beads are just, they're not all the same, like that one there. See, that one's different. So those are really pretty. go really well with these other beads we've got so far. And then next is a 7-inch strand of 10mm quartz round beads in crimson. And these are some bigger beads, and those are really pretty, just a little bit different shade than these others. These are really nice. They've got really good holes. It's really, really pretty. And then next is a 14-inch strand of 6mm Carnelian round beads. So these are some pretty Carnelian beads to kind of break up all this magenta that we've got going on here. And of course that goes really well with that pendant. And that's a 14-inch strand of 6mm beads, so that's a lot of beads. And I just love Carnelian. But y'all know I love all the beads. And then next, let's see, 2 pieces, 29 by 13mm Mountain Jade dyed Dolomite links. And those are really cool too. Those are links you could use them as at the top of on each side at the top of a necklace, or you could use them as earrings and dangle something off the bottom. All kinds of ways to get creative with something like this, and they're double-sided. That's really pretty. 29 by 13mm Mountain Jade dyed Dolomite links. That pretty gold on the side there. And then next is a 6-inch strand of 8mm crystal faceted octagon beads in opaque red AB. And these are really pretty. Got that octagon shape and that AB finish. Those are just beautiful. So shiny. Oh, so sparkly. These are those kind of beads I could sit and look at all day. But I can't do that. I have things to do, so I've got to stop. And next is a 12-inch strand of 4mm crystal faceted bicone beads in Tangerine. So that's a pretty orange color. I know not everybody likes orange, I don't guess, but you can use it, you know, just a little bit through a piece, and it would make the other beads, I don't know, the color pop, you know, if you use just a few along in a necklace. Of course, there are people who love orange, and you could just make a whole bracelet with these if you wanted to, or necklace. Those are really pretty. I really love that sparkle on there. And then next is a 5-inch strand of 4.5 by 5.5mm crystal faceted triangle beads in Sunshine. And these are just really pretty. And I love that triangle shape. The last couple of GGC's treasure bags that I've gotten have had these triangle beads in them. They're just really, really interesting shape. And these are just really pretty. I just love that color and that sparkle. I'm telling y'all, you'd have to do is set me down and make me look at these, and I would be hypnotized, because these things just mesmerize me. I just want to look at them all day. But that's it I think that's it for the beads. I think everything else is finding, so hold on, I'll be back. Okay, I've got everything else sorted out now. And the first thing I have here is a 24mm Crackle Quartz dyed and brass link. And it says in citrine, so the color is citrine. And that's just really pretty. It's got that herringbone wrap at the top and the bottom there. I've tried to do that before. I've done it a few times, but y'all know I'm not very good at wire wrapping, so but at least I know what it is. It's a herringbone wrap at the top and the bottom there. That's just really pretty. I just love all these links. And then next are 4 pieces, 17 by 14 millimeter enameled flower charms. And those are just so cute. They're not double-sided. That's what they look like on the back. Those are just really pretty. Would be really nice on a pair of earrings. 2 pairs of earrings, I guess. And then next are 30 pieces, 7.7 millimeter by, now 30 pieces, 7.7 millimeter 5-point bead caps. And these are really pretty. I like these bead caps. And all these findings really match well. You know how it's hard when you use gold because there's so many different shades of gold findings. But it's really nice because all these findings they've got here are all the same shade and match really well. I can keep these up here so y'all can see them. I really like these bead caps. And there's 30 of them. And then next, 20 pieces, 8 by 3 millimeter faceted rondelle spacer beads. So these are really nice. These are some flat spacer beads. Like that. Flat spacer beads. Those are really nice. And like I said, the gold matches really good with all this other gold. And then next are 10 pieces, 16 by 12 millimeter oval ring links. And like I said, when I first saw these, I really love links. There's just so much you can do with them. These are pretty thick too. They're pretty thick there. These are really nice. I really love these. Of course, you know I love everything. And then next is 1 meter, 7.6 by 2.6 millimeter brass oval jewelry chain. And I really love this. This is really nice. Really pretty gold to go with all this other gold. And then last are 2 sets. Let's see if I can get them both up here in my hand. 16 by 6 millimeter brass lobster claw clasps. And these are really nice. They're a little bit different shape than the lobster claw clasps that I'm used to. And they've already got the little jump ring there to clasp your clasp onto, and a jump ring here to attach it to your necklace or bracelet, whatever you make with it. So I guess those open. That one, that one, of course, this one is the one you're going to connect your clasp your ring onto. I don't know if that one down here opens or if you would have to attach it with another jump ring. I can't tell. I have to get my magnifier and get closer to be able to tell, but those are really nice. And like I said, this gold matches all this other gold just perfectly. It's just really pretty. So that's everything. So hold on, I'll get it all laid out in one picture here and I'll be back. Okay, there's everything in the May 2024 bargain bead box called the Tropical Heat Collection. These are some beautiful beads like they always are, some really colorful beads. Can't wait to see what I can make from these beads. I hope y'all come back and watch me and bead along with me. And like I said, if you're not subscribed to the box and you decide you want to be, that coupon code will save you $2 off your first box. This is a box that I really, really recommend if you like to do beading and make jewelry, because it's just a really great value box, and it's always just really beautiful and really well curated. And they have an amazing customer service. So I just can't recommend it highly enough. I hope you all have enjoyed this video. As always, thank you so much for joining me today. I really appreciate those of you who have subscribed to my channel and watched my videos and liked and commented on my videos. I have a website where I sell my jewelry. I also sell gift cards and some extra beads and findings that I have. It's Teresa's Handmade Jewelry, and I'll put a link to it in the description box below in case you're interested, along with a link to my Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, and my email. If you haven't, I'd really love it if you'd subscribe and hit the notification bell so you're notified when I upload a new video. So until next time, I hope y'all have a great day. Take care.